Alright guys, we back on it. It's dark. It's dark. So put the light up. So I'm gonna shoot for 2 studs per side. I was only able to get 4, so I'm gonna have to shoot 4. So we got the 2 different studs for the 9.5 and the 8.5. 9.5 and 11-inch rotor, but I think these smaller ones gonna fit. If they do, I'm just gonna take all these. Yeah, I think these smaller ones gonna fit. If they do, I'm gonna take these back. And then I got 4 lug nuts. They only have 4 each, so like I said 2 per side. It'll be better than what I got, cause I got like nothing. Yeah, whatever. Big light went out, so we got the little LED light, man. Like I tell y'all, I be having the worst luck. So let me get my impact and some sockets. Socket impacts. Alright, man, I can't find my wheel stud installer, so I'm gonna go and order another one. Every time I move, I lose something. And this is one of my biggest moves. I'm pretty sure I lost a lot. Or misplaced a lot. I always find something stuff though. Pretty jacked up though. Spend all that money just to lose it. Damn AutoZone. Alright, so the lug nuts they told me at work are all the bigger size, like for 5x5. So I just gotta put it all back on and try to find some 5x4 3/4 lugs, which I should have a couple in this box of screws. Let me just find something. Hold on. Found one. Nope. Alright, man, I know somebody could use this. So that's why I decided to just record it. And I need the light also. So I'm doing this in the dark. So with this side, man, I guess this was the problem side. And what I'm doing is studs in from the back. So on the other one, I couldn't do it because the brake shield is right there, which I've never noticed. So I might take them off, might not, I don't know. Which one was I using? So y'all can see I got one on, and I'm doing the wash away. I never use this method because on some cars it don't work. It work on this old school though. That's why let me just show them. So you get 2, 3, 4 washers, whatever you feel comfortable with. I normally go with 3 if it can work. Now the only thing about this is you cannot, if you got an impact, you cannot go full force because you will mess up the nut. And then whatever washer you make that indent print with, because it got a little indent on it from the washer pushing on it. Keep using that same one. Get the impact. Hold the rotor. And I'm gonna let it clack, clack, clack till it stops. didn't stop, but I feel like it should be there. Let's see. Yeah, it's there. Well, it's not there 100%, but a couple more and it'll be there. Yeah, a couple more. Couple more click clacks. Alright, yeah, it's pretty much there. Let's put the other two in, because I only got 2 left. And then I'm going to take a nut off the back and put it on the front on the other side. I know this is some raggedy stuff, man, but that's what you get. You know, store only got a certain number. So, either I get more when they get more, or I get more when J-Rock bring me my white box, because I got a whole set of splendors in the back of it. Whichever one come first. This car ain't really no priority, man. I really wanted a 2-door, and I just like working on it in between cars. And everybody else like it, so they want to see what I'm gonna do with it. This battery dead? Yep, this battery is dying. Let me go get another battery. I got 2. Stop moving. I think it's there. Yep, pretty much. Putting the last one on. Should be able to roll okay this time. Yeah, I never noticed the brake shield. This sucks. It's taking up a lot of little time. It's a quick job though, all in all, it's quick. So yeah, once again, man, this is the raggedy way, the cheap way, the impact in 3 10-cent washers way. Couldn't find my wheel stud installer, so that's what I got. This was the only good one. All the rest was bad. The brake shield on the other side was blocking it. I'm not taking all that off right now, so I can get a couple nuts on that side, and then all of these need replacing anyway, so I just threw them all over here. Next, we'll be doing the turbo stuff. So this will be a video itself since it took so long. And y'all seen my shortcomings. So I'll be putting these 2 wheels on here. And it'll be enough for me to turn safely. And no more wobbling wheels. This one could go on anyone. Put this one on the top. The other one on the bottom. Yo. So I replaced a couple wheel studs. Got the brake booster connected. I need a little valve to go in between, but some brake boosting is better than none. So I'm ready to finally bring this car in.